Albert Einstein. The name itself is synonymous with genius. He revolutionized our understanding of the universe, forever changing the way we perceive space, time, and reality itself. But who was the man behind the theory of relativity? How did a young boy, once thought to be slow in school, become one of the greatest minds in human history? Join us as we dive deep into the incredible life and groundbreaking discoveries of Albert Einstein. Early life and education. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, into a middle-class Jewish family. His father, Hermann Einstein, was an engineer and entrepreneur, while his mother, Pauline, nurtured his early love for music and learning. From an early age, it was clear he was different. Despite his later genius, he didn't speak fluently until the age of 3, leading some to think he was slow. But young Albert had a gift, an insatiable curiosity. His fascination with science began when his father gifted him a simple compass at the age of 5. He was mesmerized by how the needle always pointed north. This seemingly small moment sparked a lifelong pursuit of knowledge. Einstein was deeply influenced by books on mathematics and philosophy, particularly Euclidean geometry, which he described as exhilarating. However, his inquisitive nature often clashed with the rigid and authoritarian Prussian education system. He disliked rote memorization and found the strict discipline stifling. After struggling in school, he left the Luitpold Gymnasium in Munich without a diploma and moved to Switzerland. In 1896, he enrolled at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology (ETH) in Zurich. He excelled in physics but was not a model student, often skipping classes to study independently. Fortunately, his friend Marcel Grossmann, a brilliant mathematician, helped him with notes and coursework. Einstein graduated in 1900, but despite his talent, he struggled to find an academic position. In 1902, he secured a job at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. While this job had little to do with physics directly, it provided him with financial stability and free time to work on his theories. Little did the world know that within this humble job, a revolution in physics was about to unfold. Einstein's early struggles shaped his resilience, independence, and unyielding curiosity. These qualities would soon lead him to some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in scientific history. Miracle Year. In the year 1905, a young and relatively unknown physicist named Albert Einstein changed the course of science forever. This extraordinary period is now known as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, his miracle year. At the time, Einstein was working as a clerk at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. Though his job had little to do with theoretical physics, his mind was constantly engaged with the mysteries of the universe. In 1905, he published 4 groundbreaking papers in the prestigious scientific journal Annalen der Physik, each one reshaping our understanding of physics. The first paper explained the photoelectric effect, the phenomenon where light shining on a metal surface releases electrons. Einstein proposed that light is made of tiny packets of energy called quanta, or photons. This idea was revolutionary. It laid the foundation for quantum physics and later won him the Nobel Prize in 1921. In his second paper, Einstein provided mathematical proof that atoms and molecules exist. He explained Brownian motion, the seemingly random movement of particles in a fluid, as the result of molecular collisions. This work gave scientists the first direct evidence of the atomic nature of matter. Einstein's third paper introduced the special theory of relativity. He proposed that time and space are not absolute but relative, depending on the observer's motion. This meant that time could slow down and lengths could contract at high speeds, an idea that shattered classical physics and redefined our perception of the universe. Finally, Einstein derived one of the most famous equations in history, equals mc squared. It showed that energy and mass are interchangeable, connected by the speed of light squared. This equation later played a crucial role in the development of nuclear energy. In just 1 year, Einstein revolutionized science. His 1,905 papers changed physics forever, influencing everything from quantum mechanics to space travel. His insights continue to inspire scientists and thinkers to this day. Einstein's legacy in science. Albert Einstein revolutionized physics with his theories of relativity, reshaping our understanding of space, time, and gravity. His famous equation, equals mc squared, demonstrated the relationship between energy and mass, leading to groundbreaking advancements in nuclear energy. Einstein's work also contributed to quantum mechanics, influencing modern technology like GPS and semiconductors. Beyond physics, he was a passionate advocate for peace and scientific curiosity. His discoveries continue to inspire scientists, shaping fields from cosmology to artificial intelligence. Einstein's legacy is not just in equations, it's in the endless pursuit of knowledge that drives humanity forward. Political and humanitarian efforts. Albert Einstein, known for his groundbreaking scientific discoveries, was also a passionate advocate for peace and human rights. A vocal critic of war, he opposed militarism and supported global disarmament. He spoke against fascism and racial discrimination, advocating for civil rights. He championed Jewish refugees, co-founding the International Rescue Committee. A strong supporter of Zionism, he envisioned a peaceful coexistence. Later years, death, and legacy. In his later years, Albert Einstein continued to inspire the world. After moving to the United States in 1933, he settled in Princeton, New Jersey, where he worked at the Institute for Advanced Study. Though he had revolutionized physics, Einstein turned his attention to world affairs, advocating for peace and warning against nuclear weapons. Einstein opposed war and worked towards global cooperation. He was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952 but declined, saying he was not suited for politics. On April 18, 1955, at the age of 76, Albert Einstein passed away due to an aortic aneurysm. Even in his final moments, he remained dedicated to science, leaving behind unfinished equations. Einstein's legacy endures. His work reshaped our understanding of the universe, and his advocacy for peace and knowledge continues to inspire generations. Albert Einstein, a genius, a humanitarian, and a symbol of curiosity.